You know what I like about coloring it? It makes me myself.
What do you mean it makes you yourself?
It makes me proud of who I am.
Your hair does?
When it's colored.
Who's there?
In the woods again.
Interesting.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Keys.
Keys who? Did you forget the joke?
Yes. This is what 2 ponytails and claws look like, but now I'm going to twist them up like a
Protective style?
protective style.
I'm going to walk you through one side and then you can do the other. So first you want to wet it. I'm not quite ready for the gel yet. So you wet the ponytail section. So what's step number 1?
Wet.
Wet. Okay. And you kind of make sure it's detangled. Whoa!
No, go. Twist this.
We're not ready to twist.
This.
All right. You got to comb it through and make sure it's detangled. So you kind of hold the ponytail so it doesn't get loose. Oh, hang on. It's not quite wet. All that water you sprayed and it's still not fully wet. What did you spray? Your ear?
All
right.
You put in my eye.
All right, come on. Detangle.
Please.
Please. All right. You want me to finish up? Okay.
But I will make the twist.
Oh yeah, but no more brushing. We're done with the brush. We don't need
We
it
didn't even use the brush.
I needed it for the ponytail, but you don't need it anymore. For the top, to smooth the top of your head?
Yeah.
So what is that kind of brush used for?
Smoothing the top of the head. I will smooth it.
No, it is already done. Do not do that, please.
I want to smooth it.
Today's lesson is not about smoothing. We'll do that another day. Okay, so now it's done. So what you can do is take some of this gel, rub it in between your hands. Look, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to do one side, you're going to do the other side. Look, rub between your hands.
Do that
You're going to do that side, yep. And now look what I'm doing. I'm pulling it all over the hair, and then I'm going to rake it through. Don't pull your ponytail loose though, gentle. Gentle. Okay? All right.
No, wait it takes, wait away.
Okay, so then, look, pay attention. Look here. I'm gonna split it into 2. Oh, you're right. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the ponytail into 2 sections. Okay, we're done with the gel. We don't need it anymore. Look. You're gonna do this next part. So you take it with 2 sections. You make sure they're detangled. And once they are, let me show you how you're gonna twist. Look, you take the 2 pieces and one over the other. Nice. The only problem, you're doing great. You just missed some hair. So we kind of need to get that hair in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So undo that. No, you can't just twist it on top. And look, when it's done, we have to tie it. What did you do with the rubber band?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
I'm a silly girl who loses everything.
You're a silly girl who loses everything. Okay, then I'm just going to tie it off here at the end. No, not that kind of
Ta-da!
twist. No, friend.
It's good.
No, it won't stay. Let me go.
I think I could get like that.
You need some safety goggles for hair doing.
I think so.
What do you think you need?
Eye goggles.
Eye goggles? Why?
Because both of them got hit.
Both of them got hit.
This eye and then this eye. Stop it!
Alright, so look. I'm going to take all of the hair into 2 sections.
Okay.
So here you go. And you can twist them up and I'll get you a rubber band. Good stuff. Alright, and there we have it.
My hair. And I got a shoulder. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. We hope you liked this video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.